I have this clock in my hand with the word quartz written on it. And I'm pretty sure most of your clocks have the same word too. But have you ever wondered what it actually means? And do you know that one word is the reason your clock stays accurate? Welcome to episode 2 of Science Behind Everyday Objects. Today it is about clocks. An hour is 3600 seconds. So for a clock to stay accurate, it needs to measure each second with incredible consistency. Even tiny timing errors, if repeated again and again, start adding up. The secret behind making this possible is, as you might have guessed, quartz. You know, quartz is a special natural mineral, and inside your clock sits a tiny piece of it, almost the size of a grain of rice. It may look insignificant, but it is really the heart of the entire system. And quartz has a strange superpower called the piezoelectric effect. When a small amount of electricity passes through it, the crystal physically squeezes and expands over and over again. In other words, it starts vibrating. Not slowly, super fast. To be precise, it vibrates 32,768 times every single second. And the amazing part is it always vibrates the exact same number of times every second. Never speeds up and never slows down. That consistency is what makes quartz so trustworthy. But how does a clock use this? Right next to the quartz sits a tiny electronic counter, almost like a little brain. Its only job is to count how many times the quartz vibrates. Just keep counting forever. And the moment it reaches 32,768 vibrations, it knows that exactly 1 second has passed. So at that point, it does two things at once. First, it nudges the clock second hand forward by one tiny step, what we hear as a tick. Then it wipes its count back to 0 and starts all over again. Count to 32,768, tick, reset. Over and over, all day, all night. And that's really the whole system. One tick is 1 second. 60 ticks and the minute hand moves. 60 minutes and the hour hand moves. It's beautifully simple. A tiny vibrating crystal and a counter that never gets tired of counting. So the next time you hear your wall clock tick, remember this. Behind that calm little sound is a tiny crystal vibrating 32,768 times every second just to keep your life on time. Share this with someone who loves learning something new every day.